Hey guys, it's another Daddy Got a Fun episode. Well, the same one. Anyway, we all got dressed and now Dad's making some breakfast. What you got on the little stove, Pops?
Some sausage and eggs.
Well, it's yummy. That looks yummy, Pops. Anyway, here's our tent. We got a pile of stuff. And yeah. So we got some stuff in there. And here's our friend.
Hello. Is that a camera or just a stick?
A camera.
That thing's cool. You need one of those. What is it? A DJI Osmo Pocket.
Anyways,
It's
guys,
a gimbal system
so
just like a drone.
Here's our
keep it out of the rain.
campsite.
Here, look. It'll turn if you push it. Here, hold on.